Would you like to personalize your Instagram story with added text? I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add text in your Instagram story. Now let's jump right in. First, go to Instagram. Then tap on your profile and tap on the plus icon to add story. Now you can select or click the picture that you desire. Then tap on the AA icon at the top. This is Text tool. You can add the text that you desire. You can also change the font, alignment, highlights, and even add animation. The animation style changes according to the font style that you choose. After selecting the desired font, tap Done and you can resize the text. And this is how you add text in your Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos.